There's more than a zillion reasons you should be shopping online. Online stores offer a huge variety of options at ridiculously low prices, and above all, they're super convenient. So let me share a few online shopping tips with you that will make you an online shopping pro. Always remember that while shopping online, images are your decision makers. Don't just look at one tiny image on the screen and make a hasty decision. The zoom feature is crucial. So go into every single image and zoom into all the details. Check out the finishing, the zips, the print, the pockets, everything. You might also catch something you wouldn't otherwise, but will really help you make the right purchase decision. When shopping online, your biggest security is a good return policy. When you know you can easily return a product for a complete refund, you automatically feel more confident to buy from there. So only shop on websites that offer a return with a clear refund policy. No questions asked. A 30-day return policy is ideal. Here's a tip to ensure you have a successful return experience. Immediately try the product without removing the tags. If you don't like it or it doesn't fit right, then there's nothing to worry. Just repack it in its original packing and request a pickup for the return. It's really that simple. This way, you'll avoid any damages that could hinder the return. It always helps to shop online with a specific purpose or goal. Always have some sort of reference to get the trendiest outfits online. This reference can consist of anything, from images on social media, a look spotted by your favorite celebrity, or any other source of inspiration. It's crucial to have an idea of what you're really looking for. Online shopping websites like Flipkart are heavily dedicated to fashion. These two offer a special section for inspiration, like Bollywood looks. With these references, you can confidently shop online. Best way to actually get an idea of the fabric and texture of an outfit's material is to read the specifications. Sometimes you can't gauge what the product truly is just by looking at the image. So be sure to read all the specifications that are provided by the retailer. This is almost as good as being able to physically touch what you're buying. Payment is one of the most crucial parts of online shopping, and often the most confusing too. You don't have to stress, as there are many ways to pay. Cash on delivery, for some reason, always makes us feel more secure, while card payments are the most convenient because when your parcel arrives, you don't have to bother with cash or change. It's true, there are a lot of convenient modes of payment that aim at making users progressively more comfortable with the whole concept of online shopping. Some products even have a no-cost EMI, which means you don't pay any interest or additional costs. Unbelievable, isn't it? Online shopping is one of the most supreme blessings of the internet. It's fast, convenient, hassle-free with unbeatable prices. We are positive these tips will help you become an expert online shopper in no time. So go ahead, shop with confidence. This is me, Gunjan, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.